think his DPF back is broken, guys. It's that time, boys. It is truck meet time. And we got Genesis here.
What's going on?
Hanging out with us. Oh, let's get in here. What's going on, guys? So today we're in the Fiesta Island, our usual spot. We're gonna go meet up with Ryan and Chris, and I think Fern. All the boys are gonna be there. Let's just get going. Also, guys, before we start this video, don't forget to go subscribe to my new channel, Eddie's Product Review. I'm gonna be reviewing just tons of different things, from batteries, you know, voltmeters, chargers, generators, everything. So go check out Eddie's Product Review. All right, guys, we have arrived. Oh, Fiesta Island. Look at everybody. You would think it's like these California people never seen water and it's like 90 degrees. It's like 65. Look at
Over shaking right now.
freezing. 65 degrees. People are swimming in shorts and what the hell?
Some sand down there, dude.
We have arrived, guys.
Eduardo, are you okay, buddy?
And I think Ryan's stuck
Eddie,
down there.
Eddie, there's sand here. It's dirty. Are you gonna come out here?
You don't have no concrete area over here?
Dude, there's not 42 barbecues out here. You're not ready for this kind of sand play, Eddie.
Man, where am I gonna park? This place is pretty damn busy too.
Park right here. This is where it's gonna be the cleanest.
All right, perfect. Okay, guys, we've officially arrived. Let me know what you think. I really like this. I gotta say, you know, Fords look good. They don't look as good as a Rammer, but you know, Ford does look good. I'll give you guys a little tour of each truck. Oh, okay, ice cream man. I'll give you a little tour of each truck right here. You guys know the famous L5P right here. I honestly like the look of the Chevy. I think better than the Denali. I'm not sure, but I will say the Denalis look good, but the Chevys look beautiful. We got the F-150. We got the F-250 right here. I like that. I like the little light bar right there. We got the K1. I like the gold. We got the Rhino. You guys know that one. We got the Dirty Max. Where the heck are all my Rammer buddies? Oh, okay, here we go. We got a Rammer here. All right, we got a Rammer over there. And we got another Duramax. Looks like Duramax is, I think, has taken over this little event that's going on right there. You got another one right there, nice little Ford. Let's see, let's go down here, give you guys a little tour down to the second story over here. We got this far. I really like the lights on this one. Look at this, guys. This thing looks sick right here. Nice, clean, flush. It's probably, yeah, it looks like it's a diffused on there, so it probably shoots. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Shit, check that out. And the Ford logo lights up. Wow, it's nice. Is this just a running light? Yeah. Okay. Shit, it looks good. It's awesome, guys. Look at that. So, looks like it's probably going to, I would assume, once these turn on, it'll probably link up with those, and you'll have that whole front as a running light right there. And we got the Rammer. I'm liking this. We got the 1500. I think this is Fern's. I know Fern's looking at a truck. I don't know if Fern bought this, or I don't know what's Fern's situation on trucks. Oh, we got this one. This is, I gotta say right here, guys, my favorite Denali. I don't know why. Something about this. I don't know if it's all the white, but this thing just looks beautiful. And there's a semi-famous Fern. Fern, we're wondering. So, did you buy a truck or?
Not yet. We're test driving.
Test driving. Okay, okay. But you were talking about getting a diesel, right?
I am getting a diesel, so
Okay.
brisket.
But did we decide on which truck? I know you were talking GM, Ford, Ram. Should we keep it a secret? I mean,
it's the higher part of the alphabet.
Okay, okay.
So,
if you guys can't figure that out.
So here's a Hemi 1500.
All right.
The GMC HD. And
2500.
I'm probably gonna get one of those guys.
Oh, one of these. Now you're gonna get the same year?
No, I'm gonna go New Year. So what kills me about, said what I had, what put me with different with everybody is the grill, brisket.
Yeah.
So what kills me about Rammers.
I know, man.
Front end.
I know.
But you know what?
We can figure it out. I think we can figure it out.
Nothing can match the amount of torque that these things pull out.
They do.
And you know what's funny? When you get in the market to purchase a vehicle, you see that one vehicle on the freeway everywhere. And what I've noticed, all of the car haulers, they're all Dodges.
Yep, Cummins.
All Dodges.
Yep.
They're hauling for a reason. I mean, yes, they might have been cheaper, but they last a long time. From our guy Zach it's not easier to get in the engine well to work on it.
So nice. I love it.
You know, it's I'm not gonna go forward, but it's.
I think regardless which one you guys pick, you're gonna go good. You know, all three of the main brands, the Ram, you know, the Ford, the GM, they're gonna do the job that you need them to do. At the end of the day, it comes down to personal preference, what you like. Yeah.
Yes, I mean, because I need torque, I need power, but also I like the cockpit. I like your vehicle.
Yeah.
It's got all the bells and whistles, and that's what I want because I drive everywhere. And now that I'm linking up with some big companies, I'm gonna be going to Pismo. I'm gonna be traveling around the West Coast.
Nice.
Linking up with some big wheel companies that asked for me to cook with them. So I'm blessed. I'm gonna be hauling, I'm gonna be towing. I'm probably gonna upgrade to get a smoker trailer. So I need torque.
Okay, well, you know they're gonna rip you in half in the comment section when you talk about torque. Yeah, you know, just stay tuned for that.
Yeah,
there's gonna be the guy saying, "I got my Duramax, I did this." So.
Yeah, but I mean, you know what?
Yeah, no, you can't beat. I mean, an inline motor produces a massive amount of torque at a low RPM.
Yes, and I've noticed I've saved a lot more fuel.
Yeah.
But here's the thing, like when people say, "Oh, Fern, I boil my ribs," and I was like, for me, that's a cardinal sin. But
wow. Okay.
who am I to tell somebody how to cook for them and their family?
Yeah. Yep.
Take that into consideration when you tell me what I make my payments.
Yeah.
I don't have a payment right now. I love the free gas. I love the free, free truck.
Yeah.
But you know, to each their own. And that's the hard part is,
whatever you like. You know, at the end of the day, yeah, whatever you guys like, you're not gonna go wrong with any three.
No.
Duramax, Ford,
durability
whatever.
is everything. And you know, brisket, blow my transmission, cooling issues. I mean, I've upgraded Mishimoto and everything, but
and you towed the whole time. I mean, that thing all it did was pretty much tow.
Yeah, she was a work pig.
Yeah. So, well, there you have it, guys. So stay tuned for Fern's new, who knows, Rammer. I mean, he might wake up one day and go Denali. You never know. Right now, he's in the Rammer stage, but hey, you know what? He's gonna keep his eyes open and keep his mind open and keep his ideas and thoughts, and you know, we'll see.
I like these front ends. These front ends. It's 2020. I like these front ends. I like the front of that. It's just, but I'm gonna replace all that.
Yeah.
Right, it's all tough.
And if you get the new 2021 Ram, the good thing is it comes with the CP3 pump.
Yes, I saw that.
That's a big thing. Yeah.
Yes.
Fords, they still, I don't know why I have the CP4, and the new Duramax, I know, got rid of it. They're no longer running the CP4. So
yeah, it's all I do is get better and better and better.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yep. So, well, guys, there you go. You heard it from the man himself, Fern. So stay tuned. See, you leave your kid for 5 minutes, not even 2 minutes. Leave the kids for 2 minutes, dude. It's like 40 degrees outside. What are you doing? Aren't you guys cold? Oh my goodness. Huh? Do you have to do what? What? No. Oh, guys, like I'm cold. I'm gonna put a sweater on. I don't know how they're swimming in this stuff right here. I mean, this is freezing. This bay around. The water's probably 50 degrees. Whoa, where are you going, man? What? Wow. And Genesis did not bring his truck today. He didn't want to get dirty.
I didn't want to have to, you know, stomp on everyone.
Yeah, he didn't want to embarrass.
Are you go sit by the fire? Guys out there, it's just kind of tough.
Go start the fire, and maybe Monday it'll be ready for us.
Yeah, that's fine. Did you bring your truck? Oh, look at his truck. Damn. Look at
Put
that.
the seats down. I can fit a couple boxes.
Oh, nice. So it's technically a truck, Tesla truck. This is the new Cyber truck. Nice.
Everyone's got dirt bikes around.
I know. Bam, there you have it, guys. Truck show or truck meet is officially over. Got her washed up. Man, this thing, like, one thing I hate about going to the beach is, like, I feel like you can smell, like, the salt. I don't know, it's something about it, like, it just stinks, and I hate that salt air. I mean, you can see it was like, I don't know, the truck was just nasty, even though I cleaned the truck, it just gets dusty, kind of, but just cleaned her. I can't stand her when I go to the beach. I have to rinse her off. Get that salt air, you know, just out of her. Maybe, you know, I'm sure it's probably not gonna, you know, I don't know, damage anything, but I just, like, I worry about stuff like in here, bolts or anything get rusted. Here, I'll turn some lights on. Do that. So I want to keep all this stuff, you know, right here clean, and don't want any rust anywhere on it. So it's a big deal to me, guys. So that's why I rinse it off. And if you guys do go to the beach, well, I would highly suggest you rinse her off, because that salt air, I know vehicles that they live down in the beach. like down where we were, and it's rusted. Everything's rusted. I mean, they leave their bikes outside, you know, for 1 week and it's rusty. Everything down there. I've left bikes, you know, outside of my property for months and months and there's no rust on them. So I'm just sitting outside. Something about that salt air. I don't know. I don't like it, guys. But that's all I got for you guys. So let me know, what was your favorite truck? There's a lot of good looking trucks out there. I love that Chevy look and the Denali. I gotta say, those are still, for look wise, I love the look of those. I can't say, you know, it's a bad looking truck. And even the Ford looks good. But like I said, and like, you know, Fern said, guys, whatever 3 you get, GM, you know, the Ram, the Ford, they're all gonna do great. You know, regardless what you get, they're gonna work, they're gonna perform, they're gonna tow, they're gonna do the job that you need them to do. That's it, bottom line. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.